Hi, good day. This is Latifa Scott. Welcome back. In today's video, we will be learning how to set up Windows deployment services. This enables you to deploy Windows operating system over the network, which means that you do not have to install each operating system directly from a CD or DVD. Firstly, you create an environment in which you test the deployment after it was installed and configured. For a tutorial on how to create an environment, refer to the video in the link below. Next, to install WDS, you go to Server Manager, Add Roles, click Next, and select the option for Windows Deployment Services, and click Next. On the next screen, you will see a brief introduction for you to read through. Just read through it and click Next. Next screen will show you that by default these two role services are selected. Just ensure that they are selected and click Next. Next, you click Install and wait for it to be installed. After the completion of installation, click Close. Next, to configure Windows Deployment Services, you go to your Start button, Administrative Tools, Windows Deployment Services. After your snap-in has popped up, you go to Servers, right-click on your server name, click on Configure Server from the drop-down, then a wizard will pop up. You click Next. The next screen that pop up is the Remote Installation folder location. You'll see that by default, the storage location is in the local drive. If you click Next, a warning pop-up will come up and advise you to not store in this location, but for the sake of this tutorial, we will, so you click Yes. The next screen will show a DHCP option 60. For this, you select the two options, which are Do Not Listen on port 67 and configure DHCP option 60 to PXE client. The next screen shows PXE server initial settings. In a real world setting, you will want to select the second option, which will enhance your security measures. But for the sake of this tutorial, we go to the third option, which is respond to all known and unknown client computers, and click Finish. Next screen shows the option to add images now or later to the image wizard. You're going to select on the add image and click Finish. Next screen gives you the option to choose where the image file is. For this tutorial, we're using a Windows 7 image file. To add this, you will go to Devices on your server, Optical Drives, choose Disk Image, go to the location in which the file that you desire is stored. Next, select Browse, go to your D drive, select the Sources folder and click OK. And click Next. The next screen shows the option to create an image group. By default, the name will be Image Group 1. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll leave it like that and click Next. Click Next. You wait for the images to be added. Then click Finish. Next, we are going to deploy Windows 7 over the net. Next, you want to go to your VirtualBox Manager. Double click on the environment we just created. Upon boot up, you will be given an option to select the boot device. By pressing F12, you want to go ahead and do that. There will be a boot up menu. You press the option L for LAN. Next, you'll be prompted to press F12 to boot. After pressing F12, you just wait for your Windows to load its files. Next, a window for window deployment services will pop up. You select your language, click Next. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials in the format of domain/user. You click Next. Next, you will go through the steps for your installation process and wait until it's completed. After your installation is completed, you will log into your client machine, go to Network and Sharing Center. As you can see, it's automatically added to the domain and has also been automatically assigned an IP address. To view the current IP address, You go to start, type in CMD, click enter. On the command screen that pops up, you will like to type ipconfig, and there you will see the new IP address under IPv4. Next, you'll want to go back to your server 2008, go to server manager, select roles, DHCP server. Under your server name, IPv4 scope, there you will notice the IP address that was just assigned to your client machine. And that will be it for this tutorial. Bye.